Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So this is Angel, your mountain angel. Today's video is the second video we made this day. And the second destination is this guy. Let's just call it park. No, it's a resort.
Yeah.
This resort has a shape, look like ship. Does it has a swimming pool inside?
I don't know. Let's
I could definitely see the ship. And we still haven't removed the buwakan ni Alejandra. This cost 100. Let's go! Pwede na gali. What the entrance? Entrance fee. Adult.
Entrance fee, adult 12 years old above 20.
Nothing close, you know? Kay Halili.
6 years old. Jeez. Ikaw ay. Ari, bakas Jeez. Ay.
Si ate. I-juice na lang na ma.
Kana. Tara kay entrance.
See.
Yan ako.
This one is the cheapest destination we visit this day. Because the entrance fee adult 12 years old and above costs 20 pesos. And the kid is 10 pesos. Imagine. Oh my god, 10.
Dili ka butog $1. Naras mga cents.
Yeah.
Pwede ka mga tugamote. Oh.
Free.
Crops.
Ano mo? Mga bird. Wala pa nga sana nahuman.
That is closed.
Yung naman ang abli.
Open, Raman. Ibutan ito open. Carrot.
Oo, open. Open kay. Naslo yung clock.
Have any
Banana resort. I know. Natunda.
Talaag kay Halibina.
Kaidik banana with matching sweet potatoes.
Danaw, oh. Danaw, oh. Danaw, oh. Same. Ang destination di ang barko kay Iligan City.
Asa? Danao City. Destination Iligan City. 6:30 p.m. Docking time 5:30 p.m.
I'm going to take info.
Why he choose Iligan? Mau gratis tag iya tong ito.
Bridge. Sure ba? Bicycle.
Can I ride this one?
Ayaw ba? Ayaw tiba.
Pili ka mga tugamote.
Pwede day. Buti ka da.
Hina-hina lang pa ba? Na.
na tili ba ma?
Ayaw lagi pa.
Ako agasto ni daghana ng PC.
Ang gabok na nga.
Overloading. Sikit-sikit gamay. Malarga na ta. Danaw. Kadong, danaw. Ali. Duha na lang, duha. Kamu day, danaw. Ay, Makati. Abutangan ta nagpako. Makati, kuskoson. Lain ing Lincoln. Mitsumi.
Kuya.
Ang kuan Dynacast. Ano man?
Survey. Pangin-hangin lang.
Nonchalant kayo siya, nonchalant.
Na. Ayaw, kuya ba? Kaya pa niya.
Ate,
Kapag na.
kuan kayo siya ba? Kanang gusto niya ipakita ba? Nonchalant siya, ano?
Kuan. Feel.
Ato kuya oh, nakulakaw na to kuya oh.
Biyak, nako.
1.2 na tit.
Okay.
Ang ganina. Ano?
Pa, ayaw pag ka ng lukso-lukso ha.
Manay, kuan ma oh.
Di lagi.
Naiuho.
Adto mo ko dito.
Man.
Unsa di na?
Sige nak, mo cross ko sa bridge ha niya. Video ko like kanang.
Guba na ba to oh?
Ha?
Guba na.
Asa ba?
It collapsed.
Ay, giahap.
Guba.
Ako mo itong giparin panday, kaya akong gipaayo.
Kuan trabaho.
Ha?
Yung absent.
Absent.
Ari sana ba to na?
Football.
Ay, ana ako diha, good. Ba?
Ay, picture po.
Sige nak,
Na.
madako na dyan.
Acrophobia
Kasabaan
din.
ka diya man.
Dili, manggod na makasama.
Ma. Uta na wa oh, mga guba na oh.
Casual team dahil nila, no?
Una, kung panitag maunsa, ilahar bang bago. Mga to sa tadini ka dyan.
Pakapin ang doyan diha, day, or inyo nandala? Pakapin sa bubot. What a nice answer. Matulog sa ta mga kids. Okay. Wala no, ninduta nga rin no, pwede na matulog.
Bayad na ka 20.
Nabidyo ma.
We will post it everyone cause Abby is sleeping, so I'll be posting cause I'm so tired. I wanted to get enough rest.
Oh, wait,
And did you hear?
Nangabuyok ang kalayo. Napuling dyan ko na mata. Apil ba ka dito, no? Narilag na to?
Isa ka sa uli, hindi ka sa Leandra. Paway ka dili, dito ka.
May kanta? Hi guys, I guess that was the end of the video, and this video is all about sleeping. This wasn't adventure since the first destination is so far. We decided to get enough sleep there because the rope is so nice to sleep with. That's why we sleep there with them. And now we decided to go home already since it was already late. So come home with us, guys. We'll go home already. And I guess that was the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. See you in my next video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you're updated with my new videos. Don't forget to hit the like button below. Bye bye, guys.